Hi, thank you for joining me. Today I'm going to be discussing the Pilates exercise for the foam roller called Bicycle. I found this exercise in a book of Ellie Herman's about doing Pilates on different props, and I like this one because it's different from some of the other traditional Pilates exercises you see. You might find people on the roller doing exercises that you might also do on a reformer or possibly an arc barrel, but this with Bicycle, where we're actually imagining to pedal our feet as if we were on a bicycle as opposed to reaching one leg straight, makes this exercise a little unique. So if you have a foam roller, let's get started. If you don't have a foam roller, you're welcome to do this on the floor. However, I find that the foam roller really adds a great challenge to this exercise, and I'll show you why in a minute. Before you begin, you want to make sure that your roller is not dented or bent. If it is, that's going to cause some issues for you while you're working out. So you always want to make sure you have a high quality roller that is completely round. Now, to come into position, we will come onto our backs and then hold on to the ends of the roller, press into your feet, lift your hips, and you want to bring the roller right up under your sacrum, which is another word for your tailbone. The hands press lightly into the ends of the roller. Now, once you have yourself settled, draw the belly button to the spine to tilt the pelvis slightly. This is going to help you apply pressure into the roller, and you can easily lift your legs on up to tabletop. Now, as I talked about, we're going to pedal our legs. This means that as one leg moves away, it doesn't reach out straight. Okay, so we're not doing a version of single leg stretch here. We're just pedaling our bicycle. Now, the reason why I prefer doing this exercise on the roller as opposed to just on the floor is if I let go of my abs, and when this leg goes to reach away, if my abs aren't doing anything but flapping in the breeze, my pelvis is going to tilt and it's going to move that roller. And so I'll end up with this very big back and forth feeling along my tailbone, which is not what we're going for, guys. We're not looking for a massage here, so you don't want to have that back and forth feeling. Instead, you want to get your abs set, and we're going to do 8 cycles forward. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we're going to go backwards. Let's flex the feet just for some variety. And this one I'm always a whole lot more awkward on. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good, come back to tabletop. Set one foot down, set the other foot down. Pressing through the feet to lift your hips, raise up onto your toes if you need to. Roll that roller away, lower down, and come on up. I hope that you have enjoyed the information about how to do Bicycle. If you have liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also, you can find me over on Facebook, Pinterest, and at my website, www.custompilatesandyoga.com. Thank you.